Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I am always impressed with how different an area can look with a new ceiling light, and this one by Feanron has really upgraded our hallway. It is such a gorgeous light. I love the clear glass lampshades on it, and I love that it has 3 bulbs, so it really does make our hallway so much brighter. Even when it's off, it has the 3 different tiers and adds a lot of interest without hanging too low that you're worried you're gonna hit your head on it. Installation is very similar to every other light I've ever installed, so if you know how to do that, you'll easily be able to hang this one up. I also like the clear glass shades because they make it very easy to install them, and then it also makes it very easy to install a light bulb. And the light bulb you need for this is the regular light bulb base, so you don't have to worry about finding the extra tiny little one. So if you have a little area in your house that needs an upgrade, this light will be a super cost-effective, easy to install way to do just that.
But that's just my point of view.